Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are installing top rack on the Ronin. So let's start installing.
अच्छा खासा हैवी भाई ये तो गुड at this cost it's what 600 rupees 615. Let's unbox this. You get this invoice. So ये है और TVS Ronin, ये पड़ा है मुझे 2600 रुपये का 2600 with taxes. We have some spanners with us. Let's first open the seat. I hope you like the intro. It was my nephew. Now to remove this part, what we need to do is to remove these two screws. Okay.
2,000 years later.
इसको खोल दिया. Done. Let's try. Perfect. Okay, so top rack has been fixed, but there is one more step which I need to do. I need to install these two bars. These are supporters. Okay, so let's do that now. So this is top rack. Okay, there are no holes for saddle stays here as it is given in the website. You can check the picture as well. There is a plate here with two holes for the saddle stays, which is not present on the actual model that I have received. Secondly, these are the bars that I have received, by the way, with this top rack. Okay, so there is one hole here for a screw and another one at this end. When I go like this, let me give you this view. So if I keep one end here, see, it comes in the way of indicator. It's directly touching the indicator. When you go down to the footrest, it's not matching with the hole. Whenever the bike bumps, it will break the indicator. That's what my worry is. Okay, so let us install the backrest now. We have two holes here. We just need to install it on those holes with the help of two nut bolts. Okay, so the backrest is good. We have fixed it with these two nuts. There is this much space left on the back side, though you cannot really use it for a bag, but whenever you need to use a bag, you can remove the backrest and use a bag. So there are these two holes as well, but then they are not in aligned position of the backrest. So we need to drill there and fit the backrest there, if you need to fit it little bit forward. Now talking about the quality of the backrest, it's really good as compared to others because it's value for money. It comes in almost half the price of the other backrests. Its price is 615 rupees. It comes with these two adjustable screws which you can adjust vertically, so that you can adjust it as per your requirement. And the thickness is also really good, and other backrests that I see are like 1200 and 1300 in the market, but this is really good. Now if you talk about the quality of the top rack, it is quite good. The metal is strong, sturdy, but not without the support bars. You can see it's moving, so it's not that sturdy without that. So I doubt that you can put a higher load, say like 10 kg plus on it if you are going for a tour. So I would not recommend this.
Okay, time for conclusion. So I tested top rack and it doesn't fit Ronin, unfortunately. The problem is with the saddle bars, as you saw, the support bars, and that's why you cannot fit the top rack. But the backrest is good. You can fit in almost every top rack because it's a universal backrest provided by AutoMD. I'll share the link in the description if you want to purchase that. And for the top rack, I contacted with the SG exhaust team, but they don't have a solution for that. So that's how it is. I would not recommend the top rack, but the backrest you can definitely go for. And that's the conclusion for the video today. So hope you liked it, hope you got some information out of it, and if you did, then do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And thank you so much for watching this video.